Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password if you forget your current password. So how can you change it? So you have to go your Instagram account and then tap here the option bottom right corner, simply tap on that and again tap the three line, tap settings and privacy and tap account center and tap personal details and tap here the password and security and tap change password, tap here, and you are not able to remember your password. So what you need to do, you need to tap here forget your password. So choose this one, then uh, they sent the link on my Gmail. So you have to go your Gmail and follow the link. If you click the link, then you will get the page of your changing password, like new password and retype new password. So you can do this thing. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.